Hi everyone, this is video 4, the final part of Disney Learning the Human Body. Discover the wonders of the most amazing creature in the world. Blood. Oxygen is a gas in the air you breathe. Your blood's main job is to carry oxygen and nutrients to all the cells in your body and to carry away waste from the cells. Blood cells. Blood is a liquid with cells floating in it. Red blood cells look like little flying saucers that carry the oxygen. White blood cells look like blobs. Their job is to attack and fight germs in your body. There are many more red blood cells than white ones. Platelets. Platelets help your blood to clot and form a scab when you get a cut or scrape. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood. The blood cells float in the plasma. In the plasma, there are also nutrients and other chemicals used by your body. You can't see these different cells, but they are there. The average grown-up has around 10 pints of blood. That's almost a gallon and a half. See them yourself. Stand in front of a mirror, open your mouth wide, and put the tip of your tongue against the back of your top teeth. Look for the arteries and veins underneath your tongue. The arteries look red, the veins look blue. On the move. Blood moves around your body in blood vessels of the circulatory system. There are 3 types of blood vessels. Arteries are the blood vessels leading away from the heart. In grown-ups, the largest artery in the body, the aorta, is almost as thick as a garden hose. The aorta is located in your heart. Veins are the blood vessels leading toward your heart. Almost all veins carry blood with oxygen used up. Capillaries are very, very tiny blood vessels. They are only as wide as one red blood cell, so the blood cells have to travel through them single file. Capillaries carry the blood cells right up to your body's tissue cells. Heart. Aorta. Veins, blue vessels. Arteries, red vessels. Bug blood. Earthworms and insects have green blood. Starfish have yellowish blood, and crabs and lobsters have blue blood. Lungs. Your lungs are your body's air exchange system. You use them to bring in oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. In and out. When you breathe, you fill your lungs up with air and push it back out again. You move the air in and out using your diaphragm. The diaphragm pulls downward to suck air into your lungs. The air comes in through your nose and mouth down your windpipe. The diaphragm moves upward. The air goes out again. Lungs, diaphragm. Breathe in, breathe out. Now you've got it. Branches. Your lungs aren't just like big balloons full of air. Each lung has many branching air passages. At the ends of the smallest passages are groups of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli. A single one is an alveolus. Every time you breathe in oxygen, it passes into the alveoli, then through capillaries, and onward through your body. The passages get smaller and smaller as they branch out. Who knew? If you stretched out all of the alveoli you have in your lungs, they could cover a tennis court. Time your breaths. You'll need a watch or clock with a second hand, a stopwatch, or a digital watch that shows the seconds, and a pencil and paper. Count the number of breaths you take in 60 seconds. 1 breath is a full cycle, in and out. Write the number on the paper. Now jump up and down for a full minute. Time your breaths again. Write down that number. Which breathing rate is faster? When you exercise, your cells use more oxygen. To get more oxygen, you breathe faster and more deeply. Good in, bad out. When you exhale, you breathe out carbon dioxide, a waste product that your cells want to get rid of. So your lungs not only help to bring oxygen into your body, but they also remove the carbon dioxide from your blood. The gas exchange. The alveoli in your lungs are surrounded by capillaries. The walls of the alveoli are only 1 cell thick. So are the walls of the capillaries. The place where the alveoli and capillaries meet is like a pickup and drop-off area for oxygen and carbon dioxide. Pick up. Oxygen from the air in the alveoli passes into the capillaries, where it gets picked up by the red blood cells. Your heart pumps the blood. The cells carry the oxygen to the other part of your body. And drop off. Blood coming from the body contains carbon dioxide, picked up from the cells. Your heart pumps the blood to the alveoli. The carbon dioxide in the blood passes into the alveoli, where it gets pushed out of the lungs when you breathe out. About 1/5 of air is oxygen. Most of the rest is a gas called nitrogen. Tiny brooms. Particles of dust, dirt, smoke, and other pollution in the air get cleaned out of your lungs by tiny hairs called cilia. Cilia. They sweep up the dirt and pass it up your windpipe in mucus. When you cough, you're pushing out the dirt and mucus. Cilia. Keep it clean. Your lungs get rid of the carbon dioxide in your blood, but there are other waste chemicals, such as ammonia, that need to be taken out. That happens in your kidneys. These 2 organs are near the middle of your back, on either side of your backbone. Your kidneys have several jobs, but one of the main ones is to filter waste chemicals out of your blood. The kidneys mix the waste with water to create a urine. Kidneys. A clean body is a happy body. Wrap it up. One of the most important parts of your body is on your inside and your outside. It's the biggest organ in your body too. What is it? It's not your stomach, your lungs, or your heart. It's your skin. It covers you from head to toe. Your skin doesn't just hold your bones, muscles, and organs inside. It protects you from germs and weather and keeps your body at the right temperature. Your epidermis is showing. Your skin has 2 main layers. The outer layer is called the epidermis. Epidermis. The inside cells of this layer are always dividing, making new cells. The outside cells are hard and tough, but eventually they die and flake off. New cells are always moving outward to replace them. The inner layer is called the dermis. This is where the blood vessels, nerves, and sweat glands are. It's also the place your hair grows first. Epidermis, dermis. Skin protects us like armor. Keep your cool. Your skin makes sweat to cool off your body. When you're hot, sweat from your sweat glands comes out of tiny holes on the surface of your skin called pores. From there, the sweat evaporates, carrying the heat away into the air. Your body loses heat. That cools you down to help keep you comfortable. He should have wished for an air conditioner. Are you thick-skinned? On most of your body, your skin is about 2 millimeters thick, less than 1/10 of an inch. The skin of your eyelids is only 1/2 of a millimeter thick. Your thickest skin is on the soles of your feet, where it is about 6 millimeters, 1/4 inch thick. Hairy facts. There's hair growing on almost every square inch of your skin. There are only a few places where your skin has no hair, including the soles of your feet, the palms of your hands, your lips, and your belly button. Each hair grows out of a hair follicle in your skin. The hair grows from the root. Except for the growing part of the root, your hair isn't alive. That's why it doesn't hurt when you get a haircut. The 100,000 hairs on your head grow about 1/2 inch every month. About 50 or more of them fall out every day, but they get replaced by new hairs. Very hairy is very scary. Thanks for exploring with us, you amazing human. And that's the end of the human body. Thank you for watching.